In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove year from date Excel if you want your spreadsheet to show only the month and day. Great for birthday lists, seasonal logs, or clean dashboards. This quick formatting tweak will do exactly that without changing the underlying date. That means the year is still there for sorting and calculations. You're simply telling Excel to display only the parts you care about. Start by selecting the cell that contains the date you want to change. You can select a single cell or highlight an entire range if you want the same look across multiple entries. It's always a good idea to glance at the status bar or the formula bar to confirm Excel recognizes the entry as a date and not plain text. Next, right-click the selection and choose Format Cells. This opens the Format Cells dialog where Excel controls how values appear. You'll see several categories on the Number tab. This is where we'll tell Excel to display only the day and month. Choose the Custom category. Custom formats let you pick specific building blocks for dates. In Excel's date formatting codes, D represents the day and M represents the month. Using DD forces a leading 0 for single-digit days, while MM forces a leading 0 for months. If you prefer words, shows the three-letter month, like Jan or Sep, and shows the full month name, like January or September. With that in mind, pick or type a format that includes only the day and month and leaves the year out. For example, MIMD will show something like Sep5, DDMM will show AO5 to AO9, and DMIM will display 5 September. Choose whichever best matches your region and style. Keep an eye on the sample preview at the top of the dialog. It updates instantly so you can confirm you're getting exactly what you want before applying it. The key is that you are not including YI in the format, so the year won't appear. When you're happy with the preview, click OK. Your selected cells will now display the date without the year, while the full date value remains intact behind the scenes. That means formulas like sorting by date, calculating differences, or using date functions will continue to work correctly. A couple of quick notes to wrap up. If your result looks different from what you expected, it could be due to regional settings that control month and day order or language. And if you need the same look elsewhere, repeat the same steps on those cells. That's it. Clean, readable dates without the year, done in a few clicks.